Go and check it out right now. And what you get in the body shop, basically what you need every day. So I have some products here which I'm going to review. The first product I'm going to show you the Body Shop Ginger Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This shampoo is actually very good because it actually clears your dry and flaky scalp and provides you a nice nourishment to the hair. It's actually good for people who are having too flaky skin or too much dandruff. They can use this product. And you are also getting it online $6.95 because there is a deal going on right now. You can go ahead and grab this if you want. This is very good than the other local brands which we have in India. So go ahead and buy this one. Second thing I want to show you is actually ran out with this, the Body Shop Shea Butter Conditioner. Actually this is a very good shampoo conditioner used for dry hair and the hair which are prone to damage like mine. I also use it for my kids because it's has a nourishing it's 100% vegan and it has a nourishing formula. This conditioner again is for $6.95 rupees only. So you can buy this if you like it. If you want to buy this, there's a link in the description below. Next, which I tried for my kids is this Body Shop Strawberry Shampoo. It's clearly glossing shampoo. It's good for boys as well as small girls. Again for $6.95 and it is 250 ml. Have dull hair or any flakes or anything, this is good for them. It's not too harsh on the hair. So this one is a good deal for kids. And even you can use it. It has a nice flavor though. Yeah, it's good. It's strawberry. And they also have banana flavor, orange flavor. So you can try whatever you like. So this one is the strawberry shampoo and Body Shop. The next one which I would really recommend you is the Body Shop Youth Liquid Peel. You have seen that I have almost half consumed it. Yeah, this is with 3 plant stem cells and you just have to take like a drop of it and scrub all over your face and the peels come off. And after washing your face, you really feel so good. I mean, I highly recommend this one. If you don't buy anything else, this one is the best in the Body Shop. Is a little pricey. It's $1,995. So yeah, if you want something in your bathroom or your daily cleansing activity, this one is a must to have. One I want to recommend is drop of youth. Yeah, again this is a youth concentrate. You just have to have a little bit of drop of it, that much to the overall face, and I don't know what it does actually, but yeah, you can try it if you want. And actually this I bought it from US and it will cost me around $20 and actually that was a deal that time, so it was $20. Other than that it is always $35. India it is around $2,895 and it's too pricey wherever you go. I mean, if you want to spend so much, otherwise it's okay if you're going without this. Okay, the next one I want you to see is this Vitamin E Overnight Serum in Oil. This is actually nice for clear skin. If you have a really clear skin, you can apply this overnight and just leave it. Next day morning, it really feels so good that you love this. I've tried this, though I don't have a clear skin. I still tried it and it works for me. So yeah, it's a good one. The price for this is again $1,295 on the Indian websites. I don't remember how much I bought this in dollars, but this is a good recommendation. You also find it on Indian website, thebodyshop.in. You'll find it there, yeah, and it's good. There is vitamin C also, the serum and oil and vitamin C. It's up to your choice, you want to buy vitamin C or vitamin E. So I leave it up to you. So this one. Next I have is this vitamin C Daily Glow Cleansing Polish. Yeah, this is good. It's like a face wash. It's a normal face wash. You just get a pinch and you just scrub it all over your face, and after you wash your face you feel a nice glow and it feels so fresh. And vitamin C also nourishes your skin. So there are 2-3 types, like there's an exfoliating scrub, this is a daily glow cleansing face wash or polish, and there is a spray. You find a lot of varieties on a single vitamin C content in all different types. So the choice is yours, whatever you want to pick up. But I use around 1295 on Indian website, and it is 125 ml. Moving on to cosmetics, I have purchased the Body Shop foundation and the Body Shop compact powder. I just want to show you, it actually is very good. It has a mirror in it, if you see, and there's a puff and the foundation. You don't need a compact if you have this, and this is in the shade Fuji Peony 01, and I haven't seen it on the Indian side, but I had seen it when I was in the US, and yeah, this was around $11, but in deal I got it for $7, and I bought 2, greedy with their discounts. Is a normal compact powder which I'm using for daily thing. It doesn't have a mirror though, it is just like a normal compact powder, and this was in the shade Matte Clay Powder Kyoto Blossom 015 shade. One I wanted to show you is a serum. There are a lot of serum on the Body Shop site, but I don't know why I chose this. It's a glossing serum, grape seed serum. I just wanted to try this, and it actually is nice. When my hair is too frizzy, I just take a pump and just put it all over my hair, and it's very simple to use. If you have any tangles or something, it will definitely help you get rid of those. This was a haul of Body Shop from me, and I would recommend 3 must-haves from this Body Shop haul. Is this Anti-Dandruff shampoo is a must. If you want to buy this one, it's a pump and it really exfoliates your skin and you feel really fresh with this. And the daily vitamin C face wash. It's a face polish, you can say, whatever. But these 3 items were a must-have from the Body Shop. So go ahead and buy your own stuff. I think there is a discount of $20, about $299 rupees if you purchase above that cost. Let me know if you like my video, like my channel and subscribe. Bye.